Hello world, my name is Dr. Kundlas, and in this video we'll be discussing about prebiotics, probiotics and postbiotics. Prebiotic is the insoluble fiber in the food. When it is consumed, it's passed down to your gut, and the gut microbiome, which is living in your gut, they feed on it, they live on it, and they flourish on it. Fiber is one of the only food they prefer. When you provide your gut microbiome adequate amount of fiber, you have right quantity and right quality of gut microbiome. They flourish, they prevent immunological diseases, they help you in digestion of food, they protect your immune system, they produce a lot of neurotransmitters and chemicals which help to maintain your emotional health and cognitive health. And above all, they produce short chain fatty acids, which are a signaling mechanism to tell your body that you are satisfied and you should stop eating, in turn regulating your hunger and satiety signals. Probiotics. Probiotics is the culture or those bugs. Once we ferment any food like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, all these foods are actually a culture of real bacteria. Once we consume them, we are sending these bugs into our gut microbiome and we are seeding them there, and they grow there and produce all the beneficial effects what we can get from probiotics. Next is postbiotics. Postbiotic is the chemicals which our gut microbiome produces to help or reward us. Most important of them are short chain fatty acids, which control our hunger and satiety signals. They help with a lot of neurotransmitters, controlling our mood, emotion and cognitive well-being. They improve inner lining of gut and preventing leaky gut syndrome. They help to regulate our immune system. They provide us immunity against a lot of pathogens. So prebiotic is the fiber on which probiotics, the bugs, live on, and postbiotics is the reward or what these gut microbiome proves. I hope this simple video was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Kundlas MD. Thank you very much, and I will see you in next video.